Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest tech to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Be Quiet Shadow Base 800FX, a mid-tower case promising stellar performance and some serious stealth. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk aesthetics. While the design may not scream, "Look at me," it's all about that understated elegance.
The filtered mesh front panel with dual columns of RGB lighting adds a touch of flair without going overboard.
Plus, there's sound-dampening foam on the rear side panel, ensuring a quiet computing experience. Now, what's under the hood?
The Shadow Base 800FX comes packed with four 140mm light wings fans, delivering not just airflow but customizable RGB goodness.
And despite its mid-tower form factor, it's not skimping on cooling support.
You can fit up to 420mm worth of radiators or fans at the front or top, with additional fan cutouts at the bottom. Installation?
A breeze.
With ample room for big CPU coolers and GPUs, plus a cable management bar reminiscent of NZXT cases, keeping things tidy is a cinch. And here's a neat trick. You can install your graphics card traditionally or vertically, thanks to a rotatable PCIe bracket. Just note, though, that the PCIe riser cable isn't included.
Alright, let's get to the nitty-gritty, performance.
In our acoustic tests, the Shadow Base 800FX truly lives up to its name, staying whisper quiet even under heavy loads.
And when it comes to thermal performance, it's a champ.
With 4 included fans, it keeps temperatures in check, even rivaling pricier competitors. So, what's the bottom line?
The Be Quiet
Shadow Base 800FX may not turn heads with its looks alone, but it's what's inside that counts. With excellent thermal and acoustic performance, plus the bonus of customizable RGB, it's a solid investment for any builder looking for top-notch quality.
That's all for today, folks.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.